Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will learn about how to use the continue keyword to skip the iteration of the loop. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named continue.c. I'm including the header file stdio.h to use the printf. I'm creating the main function. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I'm declaring an integer variable I. In the next line, I'm creating a for loop. I'm initializing it with I equal to 1 and I'm giving the condition I should be less than or equal to 10, and in the updating, I'm incrementing I by 1. So the loop will run from I equal to 1 to I equal to 10. This means 10 iterations will happen within this loop. Within the loop body, I'm adding a printf to display the value of I. And I'm adding return 0 at the very end of the main function. Let's save this program, and to compile it in the VS Code terminal window, type gcc space continue.c and then press enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, type /a.exe and then press enter. From the output, we can see the value of I 1 to 10 is displayed. Now, to use the continue keyword within the for loop body before the printf, I am adding a if condition. I am giving the condition I equals 5, and if the condition true within the if body, I am giving the continue keyword. Again, let's save the program, recompile it and rerun it. Now, from the output, you can see the number 1 to 10 is displayed, but the number 5 is missing. This is why, because each time the loop runs, the if condition will check the value of I equals 5. If it's true, it will execute the continue statement. If the continue statement executed, it will skip the current iteration of the loop and will execute the next iteration of the loop. So the printf to display the value of I when 5 got skipped. So you can use the continue keyword to skip the remaining part of the iteration within the loop. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.